Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Ruth Benson, and please don't let it be your last. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking you through my makeup kit and showing you the products I use for now. I use Nigerian products now because it's cheaper and affordable. So let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing in my makeup kit is the Angel baby wipe. You need to, any makeup you are doing, you need to start on a clean surface. And then moving on to my skincare, my skin prep products. This Omari Code mini mister, you can add your water or your facial spray in it for moisturizing the face. The next product is this Beckham Ageless facial spray. You can use it with this Omari Code mini mister, or you can just spray it directly on the face just to hydrate the skin. The next one is this Zikel Cosmetics 24K serum. You can use it to moisturize the face too. The next one is this Mismetics micellar water. You can use it with your cotton pad to clean the face, to remove the dirt from the face. The next product is this Cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize the face. The next product is this Zikel oil-free primer to prime the face. Then this Adventure sweat and oil block barrier, just to take away the sweat from the face. The next product is this Kiss Beauty makeup fix spray. When you are done with the makeup, or when you are done with your skin prep, just to lock it in. And this Pond primer is a mattifying primer. I use this hair wax to lay down the brows and make sure the brows are in check all day. So the next thing in my kit is my foundation. So I use V Beauty products for my foundation. The Total Coverage Matte Foundation, that is what I use. And then I have the tube also. And then I have Classic HD foundation. Those are the foundations I use for the makeup. So the next thing is my setting powder. This one is Mino Pro setting powder, M&N. This one is Sasha Buttercup. Then I have this Classic loose powder in medium. Then this for dark skin, benign setting powder. Those are the setting powders I use for the makeup. Then on to the next, I have this Art Sun Goddess 8-in-1 3D highlighter and blush palette. This is how it is. These are the highlighters, and this is the blush. Sun Goddess palette. So moving on to my concealer. I use a lot of concealer, guys. This is from Avor. Then I got this Frankie B concealer palette. Then this Derma Essential concealers. Then I have the LA Girl concealers. Who does not know LA Girl concealers? I have a lot of them. Then moving on to my eyeshadow base, I use this Viange eyeshadow base. Then my brow pomade, I use this Hega and Esther brow pomade. This one is in the shade Toffee. So moving on to my glitter, I use this Glitz by Candy Beauty line glitters. This is in Fola, Crystal and Sucre, and the glue I use for it is this Sylvie Mark glitter glue. And then my bronzers, my highlighters. Moving on to my liquid lipsticks, I have a lot of lipsticks. I have some from Beyond Beauty, I have some from Classic, I have some from Fair Up. I have a lot of lipstick, guys. I also have these lipsticks from Classic. These ones, I have it in different shades too. And then I have this lipstick palette from Bianchi. This one. Moving on to my pencils, I use Davis pencils. I have in black and in brown. And then for my liners, this graphic liner is from Ushers. And then I have this liner from Mirac. Moving on to my beauty sponge, I use this one from Y Glam Cosmetics. It is so soft. Then I also use this one from V Beauty. It came with the foundation that I use. And then my powder palette, I use this from Bechamp Ageless. It has different shades. I don't even have many things. Then my lip gloss, I use this Zickel Send Me Nude lip gloss. It is in 6 different shades: the clear, the brown, 2 different shades of brown, and 3 different shades of nude. I also have this Banos powder palette, which I've never used for a reason I don't know why. I also have this palette from Banos. Moving on to my eyeshadow, I use this Glassy Water Light eyeshadow. I love it because there are a lot of colors from nude to shimmers. Then I also use this Absolutely Matte eyeshadow. They are just nude shades in the palette. And then I also use this Lydia Stanley and Zickel eyeshadow palettes. There are a lot of shades there too, from shimmers to bright colors to dramatic colors. Then I also have this nude palette, this one, only nude colors are in palette. And then I have these neon colors for graphic liners and all that. Then moving on to my brush, I have a lot of brush sets, a whole lot. I think this one is from Bobbi Brown. I have one flat brush from Mirac, and then this brush from Zova. I have a lot of brushes here. This is from Zova, this is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Mirac flat brush. A lot of brushes. And I also have this Classic blush palette, just 3 shades. 3. I use these tweezers for fixing the lashes. Then I use these rhinestones. They are just silver colors. These are rhinestones. And then my mixing pan. And then this lash tray from One Beauties. That's the lashes I use. What else? I use this Vaseline to moisturize my lip before using any lipstick on it. So that will be all for today, guys. Hopefully we'll get more products to work with, and we'll have an updated video for products in my makeup kit. Thank you for watching. See you and bye.